What is up, everybody? Average Model Guy bringing you part 2 from our average model dungeon here for our Aoshima 1/12 scale Kawasaki Ninja. Now, I didn't say it in the first 2 episodes, but I am going to try to make this look like Maverick's bike from Top Gun. I got some good reference pictures I have on my phone that I'm going to be using to get this going. Quick recap from part 1. We got all of our engine. I went ahead and did some weathering there. Get it to focus. Weathering on the bottom. Yep, we got our engine assembled. Got the little detail work done right there. And here's what we got. We're gonna get that. I'm hoping to get to this step here so I can get those spark plug wires hooked up where they go, and yep, get at least that much done tonight. So without further ado, I am going to go ahead and get that part assembled, which is, I think, like this step and this step, and then I'll get working on these next steps here. All right, I will be back. Okay, got that assembly put together. Got my chain painted. I know it looks kind of rough on here. Some of the stuff hasn't dried yet, but yeah, I'll get it cleaned up and looking really good. Yeah, got it on. Flip around to the other side. There's that side. Got the little brake line attached. Now we're gonna get all these pieces assembled, I think. Yep, just like that. So yeah, I'll get that assembled and I will be right back. All right, got that all assembled. Holy cow. The spark plugs, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you at this angle. Let me see if I can pull it. And the wires had a pattern you had to attach them to make it accurate. And boy, that was fun, let me tell you, to connect those in there, but I got them. So pretty happy overall. It was difficult, but it wasn't too crazy. But I got everything in there. I've got some cleanup work to do, obviously. Got a thumbprint right there, but I'll paint that and that'll be back to normal. But tell you what, I about flipped that little pin right there that goes to connect this bar back there. I was clipping it off the sprue and it went flying. I thought I was gonna lose it to the carpet monster. So, but yeah, she's looking good. Happy overall. This is not as tough as I thought it was going to be. I mean, it's got a level of difficulty, obviously, but I'm happy with it so far. So I think we're going to move on to the next step. Don't think we're going to call it an episode yet, so let's see what we got here next. I think we'll probably work our way through all this and then call it good. So I will be back. Okay, we've got our next part snipped and ready for assembly and then paint. We're going to be knocking out this step here, get all that stuff on there. Shouldn't be too difficult. So I will get this stuff assembled and painted and probably put on, and then I'll come back and update you guys on what's going on, unless I find anything quirky that we got to deal with. But yep, I will be back. All right. We've got our exhaust on. We'll spin it around here so you can see. Yeah, it wasn't anything too finicky as far as it went. It went together pretty good. Yeah, and I got the kickstand on so we can stand it straight up. It's looking pretty good. I touched up that spot from yesterday. I don't know if you guys remember that from that video, but I got it taken care of. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Starting to look like a motorcycle. Really happy with it so far. Not as difficult as I thought it would be. So I don't know, maybe the difficult stuff's coming up, but this is going together pretty good. Yeah, really enjoying this one. So I think we're gonna go ahead and end the episode here. If you guys enjoyed this content, please give me a like. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll be notified when we get the next video uploaded. Let me scoot back a little bit here for you. Zoom in. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.